Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like frock, top, shawl, scarf, jacket, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends, with your groups. Please like, share and comment. Thank you. So friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 14 stitches on my needle, 12 multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then yarn in front. Now twist this stitch like this and knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in front, twist 1 stitch like this and knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. Repeat one more time. Knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, twist this stitch like this and knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. In this way we will complete our first row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then yarn over and purl 2 stitches together like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn over and purl 2 stitches together. Repeat one more time. Purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn over and purl 2 stitches together. In this way we will complete our second row. Last is our edge stitch, so purl the edge stitch. So friends, after the 2 rows our pattern is like this. We will repeat these 2 rows for the desired length of the pattern. When we repeat these 2 rows we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.